Hello guys, how you doing today? Hope you're having an awesome day. I really want to appreciate you for always watching my videos. You are all amazing. In today's video, I'll be talking about top amazing ponytail hairstyles for every woman to try in 2024. As we dive in, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. And if you are new here, please also like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more upcoming videos. Now, ponytail hairstyles are a timeless choice for women, offering versatility and style for any occasion. In 2024, ponytails are evolving with modern twists, blending classic elements with innovative designs to create stunning looks. One of the top trends in the slick high ponytail, a polished style that involves pulling the hair tightly into a high ponytail for a smooth, glossy finish. This look is perfect for both formal and casual setting. Another popular style is the low ponytail with a center part, which offers a relaxed and sophisticated appearance by parting the hair in the middle and gathering it at the naps of the neck. The braided ponytail adds texture and interest to the classic ponytail by incorporating braids. Variations like the fishtail or French braided ponytail make these styles suitable for both everyday wear and special occasions. For a fun and trending option, the bubble ponytail involves creating bubbles along the length of the ponytail by securing sections with hair ties. The curly ponytail is ideal for embracing natural curls or adding texture to straight hair, creating a voluminous and bouncy look. Ponytails with bags are also trending, with styles like curtain bangs or blonde bangs transforming the ponytail into a chic and modern hairstyle. For a more intricate look, the twisted ponytail involves twisting sections of hair before gathering them into a ponytail, making it perfect for formal events. The half-up ponytail combines the ease of a ponytail with the freedom of wearing your hair down, offering a versatile style for both casual and formal occasions. The side ponytail adds a touch of asymmetry and elegance by gathering the hair to one side, while the hair wrap, elevates the look by wrapping a section of hair around the base to hide the hair tie. And in conclusion, ponytail hairstyle offer endless possibilities for creativity and self-expression. From sleek and polished styles to playful and textured looks, there is a ponytail for every woman and every occasion. These versatile styles can be easily adapted to suit different hair types and personal preferences, making them a must-try for the year ahead. Finally, I would love you to take your time to watch the video and embrace the amazing ponytails hairstyles you like. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for upcoming videos. Bye!